Hi guys, how to insert a picture inside text on a PowerPoint slide. So first thing we need to do is to go to insert, then text box. Let's type a picture inside the text. Okay, let's make it bigger like this. Now we need a photo, a picture. We need to go insert pictures, stock images. What we have here, for example, take this one. Now note that the order here is important, very important. Let's send to back. Now first thing we need to do, press and hold the picture, press Ctrl, then a picture, and choose shape format. Shape format, merge shapes, and intersect. There we go. What we have. Now, we can adjust this picture format, crop. And as you can see, we can adjust it.